My name is Tim Mills. I'm the owner of Signature Streetscapes, and today we're going to talk a little bit about our classic blade trims and their assembly. As always, if you have any questions, please give us a call. Number's on the screen here. Let's get started. When ordering posts with your sign trims, we will send all necessary stainless steel hardware for your mounting. If mounting to existing poles, please specify the outside dimension of your posts so that we can send the appropriate length hardware. Our reflective double-sided street blades are made with only the best materials. We also apply a clear laminate over the top for added protection and longevity of your sign. Signs slide through the back of the cast bracket on the extruded decorative channel and lock into place with the provided stainless steel step screw. When signs are ordered with classic blade trims, we pre-install all the signs before shipment. Use any standard drill bit to open the holes in your template for accurately marking drill locations. If a template was not sent, or you only need to install a few sign blades, a tape measure or a frame bracket itself can be used to mark the hole locations on the post. A silver felt tip pen works great for marking hole locations against our standard gloss black powder coat finish. Poles can be easily drilled with a cordless drill and a 3/8 inch drill bit. Mark holes 180 degrees from each other and use provided hardware to attach. Be sure to offset the holes when mounting multiple sign blades to a post so that the hardware doesn't intersect on the inside of the post. Hey, thanks for watching our video. I hope it was helpful. If you want to download the installation guides or click on any of the links below, you can go to our website and see a lot more information about the products we make. Thanks for watching.